Oh, hi there. I'm Andrew Somerton, one of the finance and protection consultants here at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo. Window tints are a great way to complete the visual appearance of your vehicle, but the benefits are not limited to just the aesthetics of your car. Here at Audi KW, we partner with top quality local installers that we trust to install Galaxie tinted window film on your Audi prior to delivery. Working with this product and our installers ensures you get these key benefits. The film is professionally installed, a guarantee against fading and color change, and a non-reflective, non-metallic material. The film is electronic signal friendly, including GPS, satellite radios, cellular phones, and tire pressure monitoring systems. Galaxie tinted window films block more than 99% of UV rays to protect you, your passengers, and your vehicle's interior from sunlight damage. Most importantly, Galaxie tinted window films include a limited lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or are curious about any of our other products or policies, please don't hesitate to contact myself or Andrea Douglas at our dealership or at audikw.com.